fire breaks out, seconds matter. Companions Fire Safety VR training gives your team those crucial seconds back through hands-on practice that sticks. Our immersive training puts workers in realistic scenarios where they'll learn to identify fire hazards, select the right extinguisher for each fire class, and execute the pass technique flawlessly. No more guesswork when flames appear. Experience technically accurate simulations that teach proper evacuation procedures, emergency response protocols, and hazard mitigation, all in a controlled virtual environment where mistakes become lessons, not tragedies. Your team will master critical skills like extinguisher classification, fire prevention techniques, and evacuation route navigation without ever facing real danger. The result? Confident workers who react instinctively when it matters most. Don't let fire safety training burn out. Ignite your team's preparedness with Companions VR experience. Contact us today, because when dealing with fire, practice isn't just smart, it's life-saving. Real skills, virtual flames, zero casualties,